Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the backup of your files on Windows 10 to OneDrive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the accounts tile. On the left side, select Windows Backup, and then on the right side where it says Backup Files to OneDrive, files will be saved to OneDrive, protected and accessible on any device. Go ahead and select Sign into OneDrive here, and then proceed to sign into your account, and then you'd be able to sync everything up on this page right here about whatever your preferences may be, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.